I don't care. I want my money by the end of tomorrow, nigga. No, you better get it for me. Cause if not, me, I gonna cause a blood clot seep from the corner of your eye to the corner of your mouth. You just get me my money.
Why'd you talk like that, Uncle?
It's about authority, Omar. I mean, respect, okay? I mean, I can't just stand up and be like, look, I want my money tomorrow. That's not gonna work. That doesn't have any effect whatsoever. No. You gotta put a little bass behind it, you know. You. That's powerful. A lot more powerful than can I have my money, please. They just won't take me seriously. Now with you, I want my money now. Yes, you. It's automatic fear. You affected it, you know. You try. You're sounding like a cow. You're sounding like a bigger cow. Deeper.